Grammaton6 concurs with the findings presented during the U.S. House Committee on Oversight hearing held on April 30, 2025. U.S. military installations remain critically vulnerable to unauthorized drone incursions. The threat is no longer theoretical, it is active, evolving, and immediate. We stand in full alignment with the call to action. Securing our skies is not optional. It is mission essential.
Fragmented response, outdated systems, no unified command, no real-time awareness. The enemies evolve faster than we respond. Unauthorized UAs, foreign ISR, unknown threats.
No unified command, no real-time awareness across between DoD, DHS, FAA, IC. Outdated systems.
Grammaton6 answers the call with breakthrough defense platforms designed for the new era. G6 Gremlin Sensor Suite. Multi-theater. ISR superiority. NHI detection.
G6 Gremlin scans and adapts across visible, thermal, and quantum bands. The AI and NHI engine evaluates all known and unknown actors in real time with human oversight. Zero failure tolerance. AI and NHI real-time risk engine. Predictive, adaptive, human-centric.
Grammaton6 is ready for direct integration, interagency, interoperable, immediate deployment, strategic integration, filed and ready.
The only way to move forward is together. Together within STP. I see science and technology, S&T, and Grammaton6.
If it's not compliant, it's not operational. We engineer the future of intelligence. We are the future of intelligence.
No more breaching military airspace. And no more breaching at Picatinny Arsenal. And no more breaching at Langley Air Force Base. And others. It's got to be stopped.
And no more breaching 14th Street, New York City. And no more breaching at our city of New York. And others. It got to be stopped.
We should be able to. Securing the skies. Engineering the unknown.
Engineering the future of intelligence. Strategic integration. Filed and ready.
It's been designed to engage high-level decision makers, stakeholders in defense/intelligence, and the national security community. It follows by urgency, innovation, and strategic leadership in the real-world crisis. G6 Gremlin scans and adapts across visible, thermal, and quantum bands. The AI and NHI engine evaluates all known and unknown actors in real time, with human oversight. Zero failure tolerance.